Good morning guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. Once again we made it to the summit. This is the same place of my last video, but unfortunately today, as you can see behind me, there is a lot of fog, so no panorama for today's video. I'm sorry. So according to the forecast, we might have some light shower around 11 o'clock. Right now it's 10 o'clock. So let's get into the woods and let's set up a quick shelter so we have some protection in case of rain. Okay guys, we are in our trusty place under the trees. We have some good option here for setting up our tarp. Let's get into it. By the way, my name is Andy and this is one of my outdoor corner. Welcome to the channel. So guys, for the setting up process of my shelter, I like to use a ridge line with a couple of wood toggles. For me, this is a really great way to setting up the shelter, because with those toggles you can put all the tension you need on your tarp, and you are sure that the tarp doesn't collapse or fall down. So guys, here we are, tarp is set up. I didn't record the whole process because I felt a couple of raindrops, so I decided to turn off the camera and make the work done before the rain hits me. It's a really chilly morning guys, so here's the plan. Let's make some hot coffee, but before that let's try to collect some woods, because I really want to try to use my stove today. Last week it rains every day, so all around here is soaking wet. The woods is wet, the ground is wet, but we do have some fuel here. I think we can make it. Let's get into the work. Let's go find some woods. Cheers, my friend. As you can see, we made it. We made a fire even with the soaking wet boots. I do really appreciate to have a fire right now because it's really chilly, guys. I didn't expect this such a bad weather, but it is what it is, and I'm glad the fire is still going on right now. Cheers again. Nice and toasty, guys. Food time, guys. Okay, guys, it's lunch time. Let's pour some water inside this meal here. Here we go, right there. Okay. I will tell you that this looks pretty good. Beef Burgundy stew. Okay, guys, now I have to wait 10 minutes before I can eat this Burgundy stew. Guys, I tell you what, since I don't have so much butter in the camera, I'm gonna eat this, and after that I'm gonna clean all the stuff, pack, and heading back home, because this evening I have quite stuff to do at home, so I cannot messing around. By the way, guys, this little pipe here is really amazing. With this I can blow in the fire without putting my face over the fire and burning myself. This is a really helpful tool if you plan to make a fire and you don't want to burn yourself. Okay, guys, lunch is ready. Let's give it a try. Smells good. Tastes also good. Thumbs up for this meal here. Oh, and also thumbs up if you like this video. It's lovely, guys. Eating in front of a fire in such a good location. That's what I call a perfect moment. Guys, it's time for me to go home. The battery is completely down, so I think this is the last record I can do. All I have to do is to take down the tarp, pack and leave the mountain. Guys, I really appreciate you joined the channel today. It was such a good morning for a quick hike. As always, if you like the content, please like and subscribe and hit the thumbs up. It will help my channel a lot. Guys, I wish you a really nice weekend. Thanks again to join me in this little trip. I'll see you on the next outdoor corner. Bye for now.